The 6 pigs. There are 6 pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 pigs are not so big. One pig is pink and looks sick. The pigs plan a picnic by the river, but they do not want to just sit. The sick pig kicks, and into the river it slips. Flip! The pink pig is fit. The pink pig is not sick, moving quick. The other pigs swim, spin, and twirl, making a swirl. The 6 pigs not so big feel thrilled, winking and grinning. They all cheer. It's time to win and grin. The 6 pigs flip and spin. They are all fit. The pink pig says, "What a win with a big grin." Spelling time. Now, it's time to spell the words from the story. I will let you spell 10 words. Please, get your pencil and paper. I will repeat twice the word, then I will give the definition. Here is the first word. 1. Pigs. Pigs. Farm animals with hooves and bristly hair. Spell it now! 2. Pink. Pink, the color like the meat of salmon or pink flowers. Write your answer. 3. Sick. Sick. It means not feeling well or healthy. Go. It's time to write your answer. 4. Kicks. Kicks. Hit something with the foot. Spell it now. 5. Swim. Swim. Move through water by moving arms and legs. Write your answer now. 6. Spin. Spin. Turn around quickly. Go. Write your answer now. 7. Twirl. Twirl. Spin around fast. Go. Write your answer now. 8. Swirl. Swirl. Move in a twisting pattern. Write your answer now. 9. Grin. Grin. Smile happily. Go. Spell it now. 10. The last one. Win. Win. Be the best in a game or contest. Write your answer. Time to check your answers. Here are the correct spellings. 1. Pigs. 2. Pink. 3. Sick. 4. Kicks. 5. Swim. 6. Spin. 7. Twirl. 8. Swirl. 9. Grin. 10. Win.
Hooray!
Comprehension check. Let's see how well you understand the story. Answer the 10 questions. 1. How many pigs are there in the story? Answer: 6. 6. There are 6 pigs. 2. Are the 6 pigs big or small? Answer: not so big. The 6 pigs are not so big. 3. What color is the sick pig? Answer: pink, pink. The sick pig is pink. 4. What do the pigs plan by the river? Answer: picnic, picnic. The pigs plan a picnic by the river. 5. What does the sick pig do in the river? Answer: kicks and slips. The sick pig kicks and it slips. 6. Is the pink pig sick or fit? Answer: fit, fit. The pink pig is fit. 7. What do the pigs do in the river? Answer: swim, spin, twirl, swirl. The other pigs swim, spin, and twirl, making a swirl. 8. How do the pigs feel? After swimming? Answer: thrilled. The 6 pigs not so big feel thrilled, winking and grinning. 9. What do the pigs say when they cheer? Answer: time to win and grin. They all cheer, "It's time to win and grin!" 10. What does the pink pig say after winning? Answer: what a win! The pink pig says, "What a win," with a big grin.
Hooray!
Reading practice. Follow along with the text.